This is a triangle. This is a triangle. And can you tell me what is this? This is also triangle. This is also a triangle. What is this? This is a square. A square. And can you tell me what is this? Again square. Again square. All are same. Yes. Triangle. Triangle. Also square and also square. ये भी square और ये भी square है. तो पर can you tell me what is the difference between them? Can you tell me? आप लोग बता सकते हो what is the difference between them? इनमें difference क्या है? हमारे जो triangles हैं और हमारे जो ये squares हैं ना, ये इनमें difference क्या है? इनमें अलग अलग क्या है? अलग अलग मतलब क्या कंपैरिजन कर सकते हैं हम इनमें डिफरेंस क्या है? इनमें कंपेयर क्या करने के लिए है? कैन यू कंपेयर इन देम? क्या आप बता सकते हो उसमें अलग अलग क्या है? ये वाला जो है ये बिग है और ये वाला जो है ये स्मॉल है. ये स्क्वायर भी बिग स्क्वायर है बेटा, और ये वाला जो स्क्वायर है, ये वाला जो स्क्वायर है ना, ये वाला जो स्क्वायर है ये स्मॉल स्क्वायर है ना? समझ रहे हो? वेरी गुड. नाउ ये वाला जो ट्रायंगल है ये लॉन्ग भी है या फिर कह सकते हैं टॉल भी है ना? और ये वाला जो है ये शॉर्ट है, ये छोटू है, ये वाला लंबा है और ये छोटा है, शॉर्ट है. और ये वाला जो स्क्वायर है ये भी टॉल है, लंबा स्क्वायर है. कैसा है? लंबा वाला है. और ये वाला जो है ये शॉर्ट है. शॉर्ट मीन छोटू है, छोटू बाबू है, लाइक यू, है ना? ये जो है ये बड़ा है और ये वाला छोटा है. बिग है ये वाला शॉर्ट है, ये वाला स्मॉल है और ये वाला लॉन्ग है, ये शॉर्ट है. ये भी टॉल भी है और ये भी शॉर्ट भी है. ओके, लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट, टॉल एंड शॉर्ट एंड बिग एंड स्मॉल. ये भी बिग है, ये वाला ट्रायंगल स्मॉल है. ये वाला टॉल है तो ये शॉर्ट है. ये वाला लॉन्ग है तो ये भी शॉर्ट है. ओके, ये वाला ऐसे में लॉन्ग है और ये वाला शॉर्ट है. ये लॉन्ग है, ये वाला लॉन्ग है और ये शॉर्ट है. इतना ही सारा तो इतना करके जा रहा है ना. ये वाला लॉन्ग और ये शॉर्ट. ये वाला टॉल और ये शॉर्ट. ये वाला भी टॉल और ये शॉर्ट. ये वाला लॉन्ग और ये शॉर्ट. समझ रहे हो? वेरी गुड. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? वेरी गुड. ओके, so you have to learn this today. Okay, you have to practice it in your maths book. Ma'am is going to show you some more things, short and longs. So you have to learn it today. I hope you will learn it. Yes, kiddos. Okay, so have a nice day. Take care. Learn it. Practice it perfectly. A very good morning, class. This is our maths period. So we are going to learn from your book Maths Primer, lesson number 1, comparison. Okay, so what is comparison? Comparison means compare one thing in second thing, difference. Okay, we can say difference. between two things. Okay, you're seeing what is this? This is an alligator and this is a mouse. Yes, this is a mouse, and this is saying I am big. What is this saying? I am big. And mouse is saying I am very small. How is it? Mouse is very small. I am very small. Come here. Okay, which one is big? Are you getting me? Which one is big? Alligator is big and mouse is small. Yes, dear all. Yes. And okay, so which one is bigger in it? Which one is bigger in it? Come to this second block. Which one is big? Which one is small? Yes, this horse is big and this rabbit is small. So ये किससे बड़ा है? किससे बड़ा है? रैबिट से हॉर्स बड़ा है. तो the horse is bigger than rabbit. Then we, dear all, we also can say which one is bigger? Which one is bigger? कौन ज़्यादा बड़ा है? कौन ज़्यादा बड़ा है? Which one is bigger? Horse is bigger. Okay, horse is bigger and rabbit is small. Rabbit is small. How is rabbit? Rabbit is small. And compare in these two. How is elephant, dear all? Elephant is, he is a baby elephant, dear all, but the elephant is big than ant. Yes, this is bigger than this ant. Yes, so the elephant is bigger and the ant is smaller. This is smaller. बहुत छोटी है ना? एंट जो है वो बहुत छोटी है और एलिफेंट जो है वो बहुत बड़ा है. हॉर्स भी जो है इसमें वो बहुत बड़ा है और रैबिट जो है वो बहुत छोटा है. So we can say the horse is bigger and rabbit is smaller. Elephant is bigger and ant is smaller. So dear kids, you have to write B for bigger and S for smaller. B for bigger and S for smaller. And same here, you have to write B for bigger and S for smaller in this block. Okay, there are some blocks are giving here. Okay, in these blocks you have to write B is for bigger and S for smaller. B for bigger and S for smaller, dear all. Okay, come below. Tick right the bigger one and cross the smaller one. We have to tick right for bigger one and cross for smaller one, dear all. Okay, so you also have to, you can say now, you know now what you have to do. Now you understand, you have to tick which one is bigger. You have to tick it, the bigger one, and you have to cross at the smaller one. जो small है उस पे यहाँ पे आपको cross करना है और जो big है उस पर आपको यहाँ पे राइट का मार्क लगाना है. ओके, देन कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. Yes, because we are learning comparisons, so we have learned small and big in the back page. In this page we have learned big and small. Okay, now we are going to learn tall and short. Now we are going to learn tall and short. Tall and short. Okay, so can you tell me which one is tall? Tall माने बेटा लंबा. Okay, tall means लंबा. Okay, और छोटा मतलब बच्चों क्या होता है? छोटा मतलब short मतलब short means छोटा सा. Short means छोटा सा. Like this pencil is, this pencil, how is this pencil? This is long. This is long. This pen is long. And this cap is short. This cap is short. This cap is short and this pen is long. Okay, so long and short. Okay, so can you see here which one is tall and which one is short? Yes, this giraffe is tall and this lamb is short. This is also baby lamb, na? But this is short than giraffe. Okay, understood, no? Okay, now you understood which one is tall and which one is short. Okay, now you will have to, dear kids, you will have to write T for tall and S for short. T for tall and S for short. As it is, you have to write T for tall in this block and S for short in this block. Okay, so can you tell me which one is T? Tall? This building is very tall. Yes. And this house is short. Okay. There are many stories in this building. Okay. It's getting tall. Okay. But this house is small house. This has only 2 stories, 1 and 2. Only 2 stories. So this is long and this is short. This is long and this is short. Now look at this tree, dear bachcho. This tree is tall and this is a short tree. Yes, this is a short tree. And this is a long tree, but this is a short tree. So, what will you write? You will write T is for tall and S is for short. T is for tall and S is for short. Look at this candle, bachcho. Look at this candle. Which one is short and which one is long? Which one is short and which one is long? Yes, this candle is very long, and this is short. Yes, this is short. Yes, and which flag is long and which flag is short? This flag is long and this is a short flag. Okay. So dear all, what you have to do here? Here you have to take the taller one. You have to take the taller one. इसमें से जो tall है उस पे आपको टिक करना है. ओके, ओनली tall पे, short पे नहीं. ओके, और यहाँ पे आपको क्रॉस करना है शॉर्टर पे, जो छोटा शॉर्ट जो है ना वो बेटा उस पर आपको टिक करना है। ओके बेटा, अब नेक्स्ट पे चलते हैं। ओके, ओ माय गॉड, व्हाट इज दिस? हाँ, लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट। यस, दिस इज लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट। विच वन इज लॉन्ग? लॉन्ग मीन्स लंबा। अच्छा बेटा, अब यहाँ आप लोग देखिए, यहाँ पे क्या दिया गया है? ये जो जिराफे है ये ऐसा ऊपर की तरफ टॉल है। ये बिल्डिंग जो है वो ऊपर की तरफ टॉल है। ये कैंडल जो है वो ऊपर की तरफ टॉल है। ये जो ट्री है वो ऊपर की तरफ टॉल है। और ये जो फ्लैग है ना ये भी ऊपर की तरफ टॉल है। अंडरस्टूड? So dear all, what is the difference in this and this? Long and short and tall and short में is this is tall and short. Tall means tall like this towards up. Okay, and long is towards forward. Okay, ऐसा वाला long है ये. Okay, distance वाला long है. Okay, ये length वाला long है, इसमें डिस्टेंस वाला लॉन्ग है ऐसा। ओके, यहाँ से यहाँ तक। ओके, लॉन्ग, लंबा। ओके, इतना बड़ा। ओके, so he saying I am long.